Hello guys, in this session I'll tell you about the prerequisite to start hands-on with the Python. So first of all, you need to install the Python or any IDE integrated development environment for running the Python programs. Okay guys, we can install the simple Python as well as we can install Python IDEs like Spyder, Jupyter Notebook, PyCharm or Visual Studio. Any one of them you can use for your Python programming, or you can use Google Colab that is available over the internet. You can simply go to the Google and there you can type the Google Colabs. I'll tell you one by one each. First I'm telling you about the Google Colabs. How can you execute your programs in the Google Colab? Just go to the Google and type Google space Colabs. Enter it and the first link appears. You can click over here and it will redirect you to the colab.research.google.com. Okay, I'm already using this, so it is showing me some already existing files. And do you want to open a new notebook? I can say yes, then it will open a new notebook. Right now I'm clicking over the cancel button. It is showing something like this. For this screen, you need to log in the Google account, like your Gmail account. You need to sign in, and after that, it will show you the screen like this. Okay, and then for the new file, here go to the file menu and open new notebook. And it will open the new notebook file. Here you can practice your code. Like this, your screen will look like this. And here I can execute the Python code like simple print statement. I just want to execute print. And in double quotes, I'm writing hello. And then run. You can click here, run cell, or you can use the shortcut shift enter. Okay. It is running and it will give me output hello. Okay, so this is the Google Colab tree. Here you can program in the Python and simply it save your files to your Google Drive. You can download your code file and whatever you want to do with the files, it automatically save as untitled.ipynb. ipynb means IPython notebook files. Okay, here you can change the name, like I just want to change my file name is first. Okay, so it will appear like this, and here I can write more code. I want to add more cells, then I can click the plus button. Okay, and here you can code in the machine learning. There are lots of libraries available already installed in the Google Colabs, and it is basically used Google Colabs for the TensorFlow. You can code in the TensorFlow also here. Okay, so this is very simple. Here you do not need to install anything in your system. Just connect your computer with the internet and simply practice over the Google Colabs. This is the one choice to run the Python program. The another choice is you can install Python, any of the Python IDE to program in the Python. Now I'll tell you about how to install the IDEs. I'll tell you about the Anaconda distribution. Anaconda is a framework. We can use Anaconda to install multiple IDEs with a single software. Like just type to the Google Anaconda. You can see here is the website, that is www.anaconda.com. Anaconda, the world's most popular data science platform. It's a standard platform for Python data science, leading in open source innovation for machine learning. Okay, you can click here, and here you can see the download button. Go to download, and then this is download button, and here you can see there are select your operating system like Windows, Mac or Linux. I have Windows. I have selected Windows, and either I want to select Python 3.7 version or Python 2.7 version. Just select any of them, and then 64-bit or 32-bit according to your system configuration. I'm selecting 64-bit graphical installer. Just click over it and it will download the exe file. I have already this, so I'm cancel it. I have downloaded it. Okay, so after the download, you will find a file, that is the exe file, and you can install it. Here my downloaded is completed, like I have downloaded Anaconda. So I'm going to folder where my Anaconda setup is available. Okay, and I can install it. Simply click over it. Click to the run button. Welcome to Anaconda setup, and then click over the next, and then I agree just for me. And here the folder where you want to install, like I just want to install an Anaconda 4. And this is very important, guys. Default setting is this, like add this is not selected, and here register Anaconda 3 as my default Python 3.7. You can do this. You can add Anaconda 3 to my Python, my path environment. Okay, for this you need the admin privileges to your system. If you have administrator of your system, you can select this one, so that you do not need to add path manually. Automatically all the terminals like command terminal, cmd, all have added to your Python path. Okay, and all will recognize your Anaconda command when you will type. Okay, so I recommend you just select this one also. Select add Anaconda 3 to my path and then install, and it will install. It will take few minutes, and after that Anaconda will be installed to your system. Okay, after installation you will go to your start window, and here you can search Anaconda. You can see here Anaconda Navigator prompt or cloud is available. What you need to do, just open the Anaconda Navigator. I have already opened it, and this is my Anaconda Navigator. The first time when you install, you need to like install Jupyter Notebook. Here the install button will appear. In my case it is appearing launch because I have already installed Jupyter Notebook. What you need to do, you just click over the install button. It will automatically install the Jupyter Notebook. Okay, after installing the Jupyter Notebook, you can launch it. It will, when you click over the launch, it will open the Jupyter Notebook in any browser, your default browser of your system. Like in my case, it is opened in the Google Chrome. So this is my, sorry. So this is my Jupyter home, and here I can open the new file. Go to the new and Python 3. Click over this. New empty file will open and you can code here. Okay, like just I want to run some code. Print hello. Just run it by clicking this button, or you can use the shortcut like press shift enter together. Okay, so this is how you will install the Jupyter Notebook. Simply download the Anaconda setup and then install it. Okay guys, and similarly Anaconda installs Spider as well as Spider, and then Visual Studio also it is installed. In my case it is not showing, but it is also installed the Visual Studio. Okay, so either you want to practice with the Spider, you can launch the Spider. You first install Spider and then launch the Spider. You can code in the Spider also. There is another video available, in that I told about the Spider. Okay, so this is all about the how to install the IDE using Anaconda. And I recommend you guys just use the Jupyter Notebook, because it is the good IDE you can use for the Python execution. In a single file you can execute multiple programs. Like here you can write multiple programs in a single file. Okay,